Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix cannot send message in channel on Discord server. So if you get the first setting, you don't have permission to send messages in this channel error. This is one of the most common issues on Discord and it's almost always related to permissions, not a bug. In here, I'm going to show you how you can fix it. So let's say in here on my channel, in the text channel, it's in here. Say my one of the members cannot send a message. So what you need to do in here is just click on this gear icon to edit the channel, and you'll see this page. Now go to the permissions options, and in here under the permissions, you need to click on this drop down on the advanced permissions. And for the roles or members, you need to make sure that it sets into everyone. And next one, you can just scroll down until you find the text channel permissions. So you need to allow members to send messages in this channel. You can just click on this check icon to make it happen. It's like that. And after that, just click on Save Changes. And just like that, now it will fix the problem. So guys, that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. So please give me a like, leave a comment, and also click on the thanks. And I'll see you in the next tutorial.